Today, I'd like to show you the process of creating a sports varsity font, applique embroidery, using foam. I embroidered a line directly on the piece where the applique will be placed. Then, I paused the machine and positioned the applique fabric right in the hoop. I stitched a tacking line to hold my fabric in place as I continue sewing. Next, we insert 3 mm thick embroidery foam. If you desire a thicker letter, you can add more foam, but I find 3 mm is quite sufficient and looks impressive. The stitches will cover the foam, which makes the embroidery denser than usual. To ensure the foam is pre-formed and easily peels away from the fabric after embroidering, we use a particular technique. Any foam that remains under the long stitches creates a 3D effect. Peeling off the foam is a very satisfying process. No force is needed. You might want to slightly hold the project in place to ensure it doesn't slip out of your embroidery hoop. After the foam is removed, we trim the applique fabric close to the stitching. Interestingly, I used regular scissors here, though I always recommend using small, rounded-tip scissors or special applique scissors. Be careful not to cut into the product with these scissors. Trim as close as possible. And the final satin stitch that seals this seam adds a pleasant finish. To ensure the embroidery looks polished when complete, it's essential to either steam it or use a heat gun.